Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. As promised, I hope everybody is doing well during the MCO as well as in the months of Ramadan. So, as what been promised, today what we are going to do is we are going to do the calculation for aggregate planning. And as what been discussed in our previous class, there are two strategies in the aggregate planning chapter, which are the level strategy as well as the chase strategy. So we are going to utilize, or we are going to apply both strategies, but this time around we are going to apply those strategies in calculation part, right? Okay, the questions will be given, the question will be given, will be posted to you, and you have to look into the question. So I'm going to refer the calculation that I'm doing today, that I'm doing after this, by using the question that will be posted in the WhatsApp group. Alright, so I read the question here. So Hamsur Enterprise has a new grinding machine which it has introduced into the market recently. Rizan, the production planner, has assembled the following cost data and demand forecast. So we have a table that has two columns, the quarter and the forecast. So the quarter we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Why the quarter we got just a small number? Because it is about quarter lah. Quarter is within the 3 months. So forecast we got 1400, 1200, 1600 for the quarter 3, and quarter 4 is 1500. Alright, so there are some additional information given in the table. If you look into the table, previous quarter's output 100 and 300 unit. Beginning inventory, there is no inventory given. Stock out cost 50 ringgit. What does it mean by stock out? Stock out mean if, let's say, you are not able to fulfill the demand from the customers, therefore the customers have to wait, kan? So the cost that create for the customers to wait for the items to be delivered to you, or at the worst case scenario, you will lose the customers because they are going to go to the other competitors. That is what we call as the stock out cost. 50 ringgit per unit. Biasanya we are not going to utilize the stock out cost lah. Kita cuba elakkan untuk gunakan stock out cost. Stock out cost ni would be the last option when we do the calculation, because biasanya the cost for stock out cost is the highest as compared to the other cost. Then even inventory holding cost, we got 10 ringgit. Hiring workers 40 ringgit per unit. Hiring workers ni bukannya satu workers. Hiring workers ni maksudnya cost that you have to bear when let's say you hired a worker. When you hired a worker, then the cost of additional workers tu in producing a unit is 40 ringgit. Laying of workers is 80 ringgit per unit. Subcontracting cost is 60 ringgit per unit. Regular production cost is 30 ringgit per unit, and overtime cost is 50 ringgit extra per unit. Okay, therefore now we are going to okay, this is the question here. Rizan's job is to develop an aggregate plan for the coming year. The 3 initial options he wants to evaluate are: there are plan A, which demand by hiring and laying of workers only. So the option A is plan A. Bila dia kata match demand, when it is a match demand, meaning to say that it is a chase strategy. What does it mean by chase strategy? Okay, you as a production manager, you will be put an effort in fulfilling the demand. In fulfilling the demand. Maksudnya when the forecast, demand tu is forecast. The things is that we are going to do is demand tu is a forecast. When the demand, when the forecast or the demand is 1300, so the production will be 1300. That is what we call as match demand, chase strategy. Okay, plan B, level production strategy by hiring or varying inventory only. So, level production, what does it mean by level production? You are going to produce a stagnant product. The production will produce a similar product, okay, in a constant amount. So, what is the option? Hiring or varying inventory. So, they are going to utilize the inventory option. The plan A tu hiring and laying off workers, ya. Okay, plan C, level production of 1350 per quarter with the remainder by subcontracting. So dekat sini level production. Level production A dengan plan B dengan plan C ni berbeza. Why? Plan B you have to calculate what is the amount for level production strategy. Plan B tu you have to produce a level production, which is 1350. The plan C tu it is given. Maksudnya you don't have to calculate the production, the level amount of product that you have to produce is given. Tapi the plan B tu you have to calculate, ya. How to calculate? We are going to look into after this. And the option for plan C is by subcontracting. Look into the question carefully. Plan A, dia ada hiring and laying off. Plan B, dia ada varying inventory. Plan C, dia bagi subcontracting. Okay, now, what is the question? That is not the question. Okay, yang tadi A, B, C tu have to do the calculation. But the crucial part is you have to determine which strategies is recommended. So, from all the calculation above, so what you are going to do is you are going to determine and you are going to decide which is the best option, right? Alright, now we go to the calculation part, yeah? So, in this case class, what you are going to do is, so this is a table. You have construct a table with several columns, yeah? So, the first one is quarter. The second one is forecast. RECAST. This is what we call as the demand. Yeah, demand. It is not the, what we call it? It is not the actual demand that required by the customers. But this is based from the forecast that we have calculated. Do you remember that we have calculated the forecast, yeah, in our previous chapter by using the three approaches, which are the moving average, weightage moving average, as well as the exponential method and associative forecasting. So the forecast too is we are trying to get the data for the demand, or we call it as a forecast. Biasanya kita tulis demand lah. Very rare we write it as a forecast. And the second one is production. Okay, this is how we are going to produce. This is the numbers of amount that we are going to produce. Okay, this is the what we call it, the difference lah, eh? This is the difference. The difference of what? The difference between the forecast or the demand and the production. Okay, we put it here. And okay, the another column is the option that given. Okay, do you still remember plan A? Plan A kata apa? Plan A kata plan A, match demand by hiring and laying off workers only. So it got the option. What option given? Hiring or laying off, yeah? Hiring or laying off. Laying off. Okay, now what? How many quarters that we have? We got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4 quarter. Alright. So the demand or the forecast. Okay, we got 1400 just now. Yeah. Look into the table given in the question. 1200. Then 1600. Then we got 1500. Alright. So now the things is, okay, we have to fill up the cell in the production, the differences, the hiring, and the laying off. Alright, now. Okay, so what would be the number that we have to put it here? Okay, So we are using the plan A. Plan A. Okay. Plan A kata apa? Plan A kata match demand by hiring and laying off workers only. Yeah. Plan A is match demand by hiring and laying off workers. So we have to match the demand. So if we match the demand, we have to put it similar here. If it is 1400, 1400. Okay. If it is 1200, 1200. If it is 1600, 1600 here, 1500 here. Why this number is similar? Because we would like to match the demand. Tetapi kelas, tetapi we have to look into the question. We have to look into the information, the additional information given in the second table. What does it say? It says that previous quarter output. Okay, dia kata dia bagi previous quarter output. Berapa previous quarter output? 1300. Hold on Alright, so it got previous output, which is 1300. Okay, so I would like you to you don't have to write it in a big font lah. Just keep it to your mind that we already have our previous output. So our previous output is 1300. So this previous output is going to be utilized in the quarter 1. And the previous output ni is going to be utilized only for the chase strategy saja. Previous output is not going to be utilized in the level production. Okay, remember, level production will not be utilized the previous quarter output. Previous output is not going to be utilized in the level strategy. We are going to utilize the previous quarter output only in the chase strategy. Alright, so bear in mind we got 1300. So 1300 tu, we put it here, 1300. So if let's say we utilize previous output 1300, so the 1400 ni is going to be utilized at the quarter 2. So 1400. Bring the number down, yeah. So 1400, 1200. So 1600. So class, you got two numbers here. One, the chase strategy, and the second one that is in the bracket too is the numbers in which we utilize the previous output. Okay, now remember, now it's quite tricky now. Why it is quite tricky? Because we are going to get the differences. And remember, when we would like to have the differences ni, we have to extract the amount of demand and this red color, not the black color. Siapa tulis black color, siapa guna black color, siap. Okay, the demand with the red color. So why we take the difference? Okay, we use the difference ni because we would like to see the hiring. We would like to utilize ataupun we would like to decide which option is going to be utilized, hiring or laying off. Yeah, and this hiring option or laying off option, laying workers ni, is going to be determined by the differences. If it is a positive, if it is a negative. So the differences will be indicated by the positive or negative sign. Yeah. Alright. So 1400 minus 1300. We produce more or we produce less? We produce less. Okay. So, we produce less because the demand said they require 1400 tapi kita cuma bagi 1300. So, how many differences? Negative 100. Yeah, negative 100. Right. So, 1200, 1200 and 1400. So, positive 200. Okay. Now, 1600, 1200, it is negative. Okay, we should produce 1600, tapi we produce only 1200. Okay, this one, okay, this is positive 100. Alright. So class, we got the differences. Again, the differences is obtained by extracting the productions and by comparing the production and the demand. So if let's say our production is lesser, yeah, then we put negative. If let's say we produce more, we indicate it by a positive sign. Why the negative and positive is very important? Because we would like to decide on the option, yeah. So now we produce less. So when we produce less, we have to hire workers. Okay. So since it is a negative, yeah. So since it is a negative here, so we have to hire more workers lah. We have to hire more workers in producing the products that we shortage here. So it is 100 here. Sorry, yeah. It is not lying. So we put dash here. So now we got positive 200. So when we positive 200, we got surplus. Kita ada lebih produk. Kita lebih produce. So when we lebih produce, we put it here. So dash here. Dash here mean we do nothing at the hiring option. So 200 here. Because kita lebih, kita at the surplus stage. So negative 400 here. Okay, 400. We shortage of 400 unit, so we have to hire workers that able to produce 400 items. Okay, and because positive here, okay, so we have to laying off 100 workers that able to that able to laying off 100 units. Okay, alright, so now we got the total here, the total. Okay, the total. Okay, now what is the amount here? Okay, the amount here is, what is the total? How to get the total? You campurkan semua. 5, 7, 0, 0. Okay, in this case, in the production, what you have to do is, you have to sum up this amount. You have to sum up the black written amount, yeah, not the red one, the black one, and it should be the same. Why it should be the same with the demand? Because we are talking about the chase strategy. Chase strategy. The amount should be similar between the forecast and the production. Nothing is going to be summed up here because it shows only the difference. Negative, we got surplus. Therefore, we have to hire workers to produce our item. If it is positive, then we got surplus. Therefore, we have to laying off the workers that produce that is equivalent in producing 200 units item. We got a shortage. Therefore, we have to hire workers that able to produce 400 items. Positive. If since we got the positive here, therefore we are laying off workers that are able to produce 100 items. So 100, 500, yeah, 500 items here, right? Then 300 item here. So if let's say it got nothing to be done, see, we put the dash because maksudnya we are not going to do anything there. 300 here. Alright. So ingat 5700, 5700, 500 and 300 here. Okay, next. So what we have to do is we have to find the total amount, the total production cost. Okay, we have to find the total production cost. So in order to find the total production cost, yeah, we have to find the total production for this column. We have to find the total production. We have to find the total cost for hiring. We have to find the total cost for laying off. Alright. Now, ingat ya, what we are going to calculate is we would like to calculate the total production cost. Total production cost, in which we have to calculate the production cost, hiring cost, and laying off. We are not going to calculate anything here because it is our demand. The things that we have to calculate is what is the amount of our production. Okay, now, production cost. Production cost is 5700 unit times with okay, what is the tengok table yang additional information tu. Okay, they said that regular production cost is 30 ringgit. So times with RM 30. Okay, we got the amount. Yeah. So the second one is hiring cost. Hiring cost is equal with 500 unit times with, what is the total for hiring? Hiring is RM 40 ringgit. RM 40 ringgit per unit. Yeah. And what is the laying off? Laying off cost is laying off is 80 ringgit. So we got 300 unit. 300 unit times with 80 ringgit. RM 80. So we calculate the number. Yeah. So 5700 times with 30, we got, okay, I use the sign dollar lah sebab tak cukup ruang. 171,000. Okay, now hiring cost is 20,000. Okay, laying off is 24,000. Right, 24,000. Therefore, our total production cost is RM 215,000. Okay, this is only, this is the total production cost for plan A or chase strategy only. Right. Now we go for our second strategy. Now we go for our second strategy. We go for our plan B. Plan B. What does plan B says? Plan B is a level strategy. Okay, what does it mean by level strategy? Level strategy means we have to produce the amount in a constant number, constant unit. If let's say quarter 1 we produce 1,000, quarter 2 we produce 1,000, quarter 3 we produce 1,000, quarter 4 we produce 1,000, right? Alright, so in this case the numbers ataupun the level production to, the numbers that the level production to is not being given. So what we have to do is we have to find what is the amount of our level production. So our level production, since it is not been given, we have to calculate lah ya. So how to calculate the level production? So to calculate is, okay, you campurkan the demand for quarter 1. We got the average ya. So 1400 plus with 1200 plus with 1600 plus with 1500 divide by 4. Why 4? Because we got only 4 quarter, right? Okay, so what is the amount? Okay, the amount is 1425. The amount is 1425. This is the amount of level strategy that we are going to utilize in producing our product for quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4. Okay, again what we are going to do is we are going to construct a table. Construct a table then ya. Okay. Okay, what is the first quarter? The second one is demand or the forecast. This one is not is going to be remain ya, as what been written in the question. This one is our production. This one is the level strategy that we have calculated tadi. Okay, this one is difference. Difference between what and what? The difference between the productions and our demand. Okay, then after the difference, the column difference, the strategy. What is the strategy that been given? The strategy, if you're into the question, the strategy that been given is hiring or varying inventory. Okay, so in this case, they give us the inventory. Okay, the inventory, right? Okay, now we do the calculation now. How many quarter? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. So the demand. Okay, write the demand as what been given in the question. 1400, 1200, 1600, as well as 1500. So what is the production? The production, we take it lah from the amount that we have calculated just now. 1425, 1425, 1425, 1425. Okay, so now we have the numbers for the demand and the production. Now we have to find the differences between the productions and the demand. And remember, we are not going to utilize any number. Okay, the data for the previous input, for the previous output is not going to be utilized in the level strategy. It's going to be utilized only on the chase strategy. So what is the difference, class? So the difference is 1425 minus with 140, we got positive berapa? 25. Okay. Now, the difference between this number is how much? How much is the difference? So, we find the difference between 1425 minus 1200. So, 225, yeah? The difference is positive 225. Okay. Okay, now we got the shortage tau. What is the shortage? Because our demand is greater than our production. So 1425 minus 1600. Okay, negative 175. Meaning to say that at this quarter, the shortage is 175. Okay, this one 1425 minus 1500. Shortage of 75 ringgit. 75 unit. Alright. So now they said that we are going to utilize the inventory. Alright, so it's quite tricky ya. Kalau inventory ni is quite tricky. So how we are going to do? Alright, we got the surplus of for 25. So if we got the surplus of 25, we are going to utilize it as our inventory. Ada lebih. So where to put? Okay, where to locate the item? So if we got the surplus of 25 item, so we put it in our inventory. So now in the inventory at the quarter 1, ingat bilik inventory macam warehouse tu. So now we got 25 unit in the inventory at the quarter 1, right? So now we are at the quarter 2. Okay, how many surplus that we have? We got 225. This is quarter 2, and please remember we already have 25 unit at our quarter 1. So in this case, what you are going to do is, okay, this is a remark for you. Tulis. Kalau tak ingat, tulis. Nanti saya takut kalau awak lupa. 25 campur 225. 225. So 25 plus 225. We got 250. Okay, 250 is the inventory. Sorry, is the accumulated inventory for the quarter 1 and for the quarter 2. Okay, now at the quarter 3 now, do we have any inventory at the quarter 3? Do we have any surplus unit? No, we don't have any surplus unit. In fact, we got the negative. We got the negative one. Therefore, what we are going to do is, we are going to minus. Because we are shortage. So we are going to utilize the inventory that we have to fulfill the shortage one. Alright, how we are doing? How we are going to do it now? 250 minus with 175. So 250 minus 175, we got 75 unit. 75 unit. Alright, kita tinggal 75 unit dalam inventory kita pada kuartal yang ketiga. Selepas we extract, kita ambil inventory kita sebanyak 175 unit pada quarter 3 to fulfill our demand. Okay, now now we got 75. Okay, tengok quarter 4. Quarter 4 we shortage of RM75 as well. So 75 minus with 75, how many that we have? We are going to have 0. Wow. So no inventory at the quarter 4, right? Alright, so now what we are going to do? Okay, 25. So we have 25 unit at the quarter 1, 250 at the quarter 2, 75 at the quarter 3, and 0 unit at the quarter 4. So what we are going to do? We are going to calculate the total. 5700, 5700, none will be written here. 25 plus 250 plus 75. So we have 350 here. We got 350 here. Therefore, production cost is okay, we are going to find the total production cost, the total. So in calculating the total, we have to find the production cost here and the inventory cost here. So 5700 unit times with RM30. Where RM32 coming from? Our regular production cost. So it is 171,000. Okay, what is our inventory cost? Our inventory cost is is 350 times with what is the inventory cost? Our inventory cost, beginning inventory cost RM10, yeah. RM 10 ringgit. So 500. The amount is supposed RM 3,500. So you campurkan dua. Okay, 171,000 times with 3,500. 171,000 plus with 3,500, then you got 174,500. 174,500, yeah, right. Okay, now we go to the next one. Okay, tadi plan B. So plan B is 174,500. Now we go to the plan C. Plan C is also level strategy. Plan C is also level strategy. But in this case class, they give you the amount. So what is the amount from the question? 1350. 1350 unit. So in this case class, you don't have to calculate lah the level strategy to just utilize the number that been given in the question. Okay, now as usual, what we are going to do is, right, we are going to construct a table. So in this case, what is the strategy? With the remainder by subcontracting, yeah, by subcontracting. So it is subcontracting. Alright, now we got the quarter. Okay, we got the demand, right? Okay, then what else? We got the production. Then we got the okay, before we go to the subcontracting though, we have to look into our inventory lah. Because kenapa kita kata inventory? Sebelum kita buat apa-apa subcontracting, ya, kita kena buat dulu apa yang kita kena tengok dulu kita punya inventory. Ada ke tak ada barang? Kalau tak ada, then baru kita duduk subcontracting. Sebab the cost of subcontracting tu is huge, ya, is besar. Alright. Now, as usual, kita letak 1400, 1200, 1600 and 1500. So production, since it is a level strategy 1350, so kita letak je 1350 at quarter 1, 1350 at the quarter 2, 1350 at the quarter 3, 1350 at the quarter 4. So now class, tengok. Okay, I forgot one thing. Ya Allah, the difference. Dia ada difference ni. The difference between production and productions as well as the demand. Now, compare 1400 dengan 1350. There is the difference of 1400 minus 1350. So we got the shortage of 50. Shortage of 50 item. So when we have the shortage of 50 item, since we don't have any inventory here, we are going to allocate this 50 to our subcontractor. We are going to ask our subcontractor to produce 50 items for us, right? So now we go to the next one. The next one is the demand is 1200, but we produce 1350. We got the surplus of 150. So with 150, okay, we allocate it, we put the item at our inventory. So nothing to do with subcontracting. Alright, now class, yeah, for the third quarter, the demand is 1600, tetapi our production is 250. Meaning to say that we required another 250. Okay, so this 250 class, remember our inventory is 150. So kita kena dapatkan the amount dekat inventory sebab kita kena guna inventory kita. So 150 minus with the 250. Where the 150? 150 is our inventory at the quarter 2. Where is the 250? 250 is the difference between our production and our demand at quarter 3. So 150 minus 250, 100. So dekat inventory dah kosong. Jangan tulis 150, 100 ni dekat inventory. Our inventory dah kosong sebab kita dah guna 150. So 150 ni, 100. 100 ni, is only 100 unit je kita kena do the subcontracting. Right? But for the quarter 4, 1500 minus with 1350. So we got the shortage of 150. Negative 150. Since we got the shortage of 150, so we are going to since we don't have any inventory here, cik ni bubuh ni dash, tak ada apa-apa inventory. Ini kosong, maknanya kita kosong inventory sebab depleted, sebab kita dah gunakan dekat quarter 3, tapi dekat quarter 4 nothing to do. We are not going to utilize the inventory apa-apa pun. We straightly, sebab dia shortage, masukkan dalam subcontracting 150. Alright, so in this case, 50 plus 100 plus 150. We got 300 unit here. Okay, yeah, we got 300 unit here. So 1350 times 4, 5400. Right. Okay, this one is 5700. Alright, so now we have to 50, sekejap saya kira lagi. 50, 100 plus 150, we got 300. Okay, our inventory ada 150, sorry. 150 for our inventory. So, we got the demand, 5700. We got the production. How to get the production tu? Daripada total. So, 1350 times 1350, 5400. So 1350 daripada inventory ambil. So 50 campur 100 campur 150, we got 300. So now we have to find the total production cost. So find the production cost dulu. Find the production cost dulu. 5400. Jangan ambil yang demand, bukan, ambil yang production ni. times with RM 30 ringgit. So the amount is 162,000. Betul ke? 5400 times with 30. Alright, 162,000. Sebenarnya ada unit kat sini ya. Ada unit kat sini. Ni sebenarnya 30 ringgit per unit. Ada kita slash dia jadi amount kat sini. Okay, now inventory cost. Inventory cost sama dengan 150 unit times with inventory berapa? Inventory berapa harga dia? Inventory is 10 ringgit. RM 10. So 150 times 10 is 1500. Lepas tu subcontracting cost is 300 times, tengok soalan, tengok additional information. Subcontracting berapa? Subcontracting is RM60. RM 60. So 300 times 60 is 18,000. Right. 18,000. So you campur semua. So campur semua. 162,000 times 1500 times 18000 is equivalent with 183. Betul ke saya kira ni? 162,000 tambah 1500 times 18000. 181,500. So go to the question D lah. They ask us to determine. So if we can compare our plan A. So our plan A, the total cost is RM 174,500. Our plan B is RM 215,000. Our plan C is equal with plan B. Plan C is RM 181,500. So the total, not the total. So this is plan A, this is plan B, this is plan C. So in deciding which strategy is the best strategy, we are going to utilize, of course lah, in terms of cost, we are going to get the minimal one. So in this case, plan A is going to be chosen. Why plan B is going to be chosen? Plan B or chase strategy is going to be chosen due to its lowest cost as compared to the plan B and plan C. Alright, so chase strategy is going to be utilized due to its lowest cost. Alright, that's it. Alright, that's it for the strategies in aggregate planning. Okay, by applying the calculation part. So we are going to move to another examples. Alright, thank you very much. We go to another example. Yeah, after this. Alright, bye bye. Assalamualaikum.